Tire error shown. Causing ABS error along with others. Scanned with VCDS. ABS error, rear left. Mostly ABS sensor failure. Bought a whole set of 4. Left is new, right is faulty old one. Please check part number of yours before making order. T30 tool to be used. Come with my purchase of the sensors. Optionally with brake cleaner and air duster. Air duster can be bought from computer accessory store. HKD 48, USD 7, for brake cleaner. HKD 20, $2 for air duster. Sun blind as ground sheet. Safety first, brick to stop the car from rolling. 1 at the rear wheel. 1 in the front wheel. Lock both the handbrake and parking, P, not shown. Locate the sensor, the shiny screw. Have to be patient. The whole process took me 15 minutes to complete. Check against newly bought sensor. Disconnect the sensor from the cable. This take me a while. It may be easier to disconnect the cable before unscrew. Finally got it. New one. Old one. Time to clean the hole with brake cleaner. Blow the hole with air duster, dry it faster. Time to screw back a new sensor. Ensure the screw is tight. And connect the cable to the sensor. Make sure the cable click with the sensor during connecting. It is done. After starting the car, the error gone. Thank you for watching.